Hi everyone, let's see how you can recover a lost partition, deleted partition or a partition that has become unallocated. So as you can see, this is my external hard drive that has become unallocated and the drive does not show up in my file explorer. So to bring back the lost partition, we'll be using the tool AOMEI Partition Assistant. Once the software loads, simply select the drive. Then click on Rebuild MBR. Then click on OK. Now click on Apply and then Proceed here. Click on Yes. Now once this is done, select the problematic drive again. Then go to Recover and click on Partition Recovery. From here, select your disk. Click on Next. You'll get two options, fast search and full search. Go for the first search and if required, go for the full search again. Now wait for the scanning process to finish and it will find the partitions that were lost. Now select the partitions and click on Proceed. And that's it. Click on Finish and wait for the disk to load up. Now if I show you my file explorer, you can see my lost partitions are back and the data inside it is intact. So if you are also facing a similar issue with your hard drive or USB drive, you can follow the same pattern and recover your data in the most easiest way. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you found the content helpful and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.